Hi there, please like and subscribe. Swipe. Trash. You can by tapping. Tap the three dots. Restore. Yeah, restore first. Second. Yeah. Tap the three dots. Do you want to restore this item from your chat? Select folder. Files on the folder, restore it. You can tap for select folder, restore. Tap description. Tap link. Limited time offer. Last chance over 50% of female lifetime plan. Ultra 10 terabytes. Choose your plan. Yeah, for over at the side, more than 24 million people have chosen as their trusted cloud storage provider. Annual, monthly, lifetime. Premium plus 2 terabytes. Premium 500 gigabytes. Please like and subscribe.